In this video, I'll show you how to extend the ring time on your Android phone. The steps may be slightly different depending on your device and carrier. By default, most Android phones ring for about 15 seconds before the call is forwarded to voicemail. You can increase the ring time in 5-second steps, up to 30 seconds. To change the ring time, open the phone dialer on your device. Then type the following code: **61**101** followed by the number of seconds you want the phone to ring, either 15, 20, 25, or 30, and then end with the hash symbol. After typing the code, press the call button. If the change is successful, you'll see a message on the screen saying call forwarding registration was successful. Tap OK to confirm. If you want to check your current ring time setting, simply dial **61# and tap the call button. And that's it. That's how you can increase the ring time on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.